Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this interesting question. Given that f of x is equal to 3 over 37760 times x squared into 20 minus x, if x ranges from 2 to 18 and it is 0 elsewhere, find the probability that x is less than or equal to 7. So what we're going to do is, given this range, it is from 2, which is positive and is included, to 18. So we can see this as the probability that x ranges, because it is less than or equal to 7. So x ranges from 2 to 7. So to get this, we're just going to integrate from 2 to 7, this function here, which is 3 over 37760, x squared into 20 minus x with respect to x. So let us do that. We can take the constant term out of the integration. So we have 3 over 37760. Then that ranges from 2 to 7. Then we can simplify this to be 20 x squared minus x cubed with respect to x. So we're going to have, this is 3 over 37760 into, this will be 20 x cubed over 3 minus x power 4 over 4, and it starts from 2 to 7. So the next thing is just to get the difference when x is 7, when x is 2. So that will be 3 over 37760 into 20 into 7 power 3 over 3 minus 7 power 4 over 4. Then you subtract 20 into 2 power 3 over 3 minus 2 power 4 over 4. Then you close that bracket. So let us work this out. So inside the bracket, we have 3 over 37760 into, if you solve this, you're going to get that to be 23.7 over 12. And this one will be 148 over 3. So you're going to get this to be 37760 times, when you solve this one, you're going to get 196.45 over 12, which is the same as 39.29 all over, that will be 30.28, which you can write in decimal as 0.130065. Thank you for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe.